Pedagogy is a Greek word which literally means right answer है D to lead the child. Pedagogy is the study of right answer है C. Pedagogy is the study of teaching method. An assessment where the goal is to identify difficulties that occur during the learning process is called right answer A. डायग्नोस्टिक असेसमेंट। डायग्नोस्टिक असेसमेंट ऐसी असेसमेंट होती है जिसमें जितनी भी स्टूडेंट्स की डिफ़िकल्टीज होती हैं, एरर्स होती हैं, उनको इस असेसमेंट के ज़रिए ख़त्म करने की कोशिश की जाती है। इसके साथ साथ फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट वो असेसमेंट होती है जो ड्यूरिंग टीचिंग इसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। उसके बाद जो समेटिव असेसमेंट होती है ये एट द एंड ऑफ कोर्स इसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। ये आपने याद रखना है। Formative assessment is an assessment dash learning, right answer है D for summative assessment is an assessment dash learning, right answer आएगा B। summative assessment के लिए हमेशा ऑफ यूज होगा और formative assessment के लिए हमेशा for यूज होगा। ये आपने याद रखना है। What act of teacher foster a sense of autonomy in the learning process, right answer है C delegator। A process of looking at what is being assessed is called right answer है B evaluation। evaluation के बारे में आपने याद रखना है ये ओवरऑल जजमेंट होती है। How many learning domains are there in the Bloom taxonomy? right answer है B 3। What are the 3 domains of Bloom taxonomy? right answer है A cognitive domain, affective domain and psychomotor domain. The cognitive domain of the Bloom taxonomy involves right answer है B knowledge। The affective domain of the Bloom taxonomy involves right answer है C manner। The psychomotor domain of the Bloom's taxonomy involves right answer है D physical movement। According to John Davis, schools must prepare students for right answer है present life। जॉन डेवी के मुताबिक जितने भी स्कूल हैं उनको चाहिए कि वो स्टूडेंट्स को उनकी प्रेजेंट लाइफ के बारे में तैयार करें। We calculate average marks of a student in the way as we calculate right answer है arithmetic mean। The dash is a measure of how spreads out points or from the mean, right answer है C standard deviation। The standard deviation is the dash of the variance, right answer है B square root। The concept of perennialism in education means schools curriculum should focus on what is right answer है B everlasting। The curriculum of educational institutes should be based on right answer है C theory and practice। The new curriculum should be introduced right answer है B continuously। Evaluation of the process of curriculum development should be made right answer है B continuously। Validity of an assessment relates to the dash of an assessment, right answer है D relevance। Reliability of an assessment relates to the dash of an assessment, right answer है C consistency। An assessment used to determine a person's ability in a particular field of studies is called right answer है aptitude test। An assessment that is carried out at the end of course to assign students a course grade is called right answer है D summative assessment। इस असेसमेंट के बारे में आपको पहले भी बता चुका हूँ। Which of the following is not a formal assessment? राइट आंसर है बी, ऑब्जर्वेशन। इंटरव्यू, प्रोजेक्ट, क्विज़ेज, ये जितने भी हैं ये फॉर्मल असेसमेंट हैं और इनमें से जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है ये फॉर्मल असेसमेंट नहीं है। Which of the following is not an informal assessment? राइट आंसर है बी, प्रोजेक्ट। प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये इनफॉर्मल असेसमेंट नहीं है, बाकी जितनी भी ऑब्जर्वेशन है, एरोबिक्स है, पार्टिसिपेशन है, ये सारी इनफॉर्मल असेसमेंट हैं। इन एजुकेशन इज यूज टू मेक इंटरफेरेंस अबाउट द लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स। राइट आंसर है असेसमेंट। ये असेसमेंट की डेफिनेशन है, इसको आपने याद रखना है। एन असेसमेंट दैट इज conducted prior to the start of teaching or introduced is called, right answer A, initial assessment. An assessment that is carried out throughout the course is called, right answer A, C, formative assessment. An assessment is if it is consistently achieves the same result with the same students, it is called reliable. An assessment is one which measure what is intended to measure. Right answer A, valid assessment. The process of selecting units from a population to estimate characteristics of the population is called, right answer A, D, sampling. A scoring guide used to evaluate the quality of students is known as, right answer A, rubrics. The simplest skills in cognitive domain of the Bloom's taxonomy is, right answer A, remembering. The most complex skill in cognitive domain of the Bloom's taxonomy is, right answer A, C, evaluating. Bloom taxonomy in education is concerned with learning and which methods? Right answer A, assessment. The concept of teaching the whole child in philosophy of pragmatism in education means teaching students to be good, right answer A, D, citizens. The book Email or on Education on the Nature of Education and Man is written by, right answer A, D, Rousseau. According to the Email, the noblest work in education is to make, right answer A, B, reasoning man. What is meant by symposium in the academic world? Right answer A, D, conference.